Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll to find the security. It should be on this section with the passwords and so on and so on. So let's tap on the security. At the very bottom we've got more settings, and here we've got the option install apps from external sources. So let's tap, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And if you'd like to change it, so for example, if you'd like to allow, I don't know, okay, let me pick files, simply tap on the app you'd like to allow to install something and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that from now on the chosen one is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put the data and your device at risk, so remember about that. And of course it will work the same with all other apps. And if you want to, you can turn off the permission whenever you want to. Just go back to the app and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, you can see that the files, in my case, are not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.